Question number 1. Howard Carter was the British archaeologist. Howard Carter was the British archaeologist. Howard Carter was the British archaeologist. Howard Carter was the British archaeologist who discovered the mummy of Tut in the year 1922. Howard Carter was the British archaeologist who discovered the mummy of Tut in the year 1922. Howard Carter was the British archaeologist who discovered the mummy of Tut in the year 1922. Next question. Next question. The mummy of Tut underwent CT scanning. The mummy of Tut underwent CT scanning in year 2005. In the year 2005, the mummy of Tut underwent CT scanning in the year 2005. And its purpose was to find the cause of death of Tut. Cause of death of Tut. Next.
Who was
Jahi Hawass is the Secretary General of Egypt Supreme Council of Antiquities. Secretary General of Jahi Hawass was the Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. ANTIQUITIES. Secretary Council of Egypt Supreme Council of Antiquities. In his opinion, the body of Tut was in a bad condition. The body of Tut was in a bad condition. The body of Tut was in a bad condition. Next question.
What included the funerary treasure of Tut?
लिखो the funerary treasure of Tut. The funerary treasure of Tut included precious collars, COLLARS, glittering gourds, inlaid necklaces, glittering gourds, inlaid necklaces, INLAID, inlaid neck, NECK neck अलग से है, necklaces, NECKLACES, हार, and bracelet, BRACELETS, bracelet, rings, RINGS, amulets, AMULETS, sandal, SANDALS,
सब कुछ लेते हैं जो पहनते हैं।
सैंडल, वही तो सैंडल, ब्रेसलेट, एक मिनट, शीथ फॉर हिज फिंगर, SHEATHES, SHEATHES, sheath for fingers, sheath for fingers and toes, sheath for fingers and toes, and the iconic inner coffin and mask, and iconic inner coffin and mask, inner coffin and mask. Mask, MASK. Full stop. Next question. लिखो द श्राउड ऑफ SHROUD. The shroud of Tut was decorated with. The shroud of Tut was decorated with garlands of willow and olive leaves.
उसी में लिखना था कोर्ट में।
अलग है।
अलग है ये।
The garland of, sorry, the shroud of Tut was adorned with, decorated with garlands of willow and olive leaves, willow and olive leaves, comma, wild celery, willow and olive leaves,
and
olive leaves, comma, wild celery, CELERY, wild celery, comma, lotus petals, lotus petals, petals, and cornflower, CORN, and cornflower, which gave the faded evidence, which gave the faded evidence of his burial in March or April, of his burial in March or April, his faded evidence, March or April. Next question.
what was the problem with Carter when he finally reached the mummy?
When Carter finally reached the mummy, when Carter finally reached the mummy, he found himself in a problem. He found himself in a problem. Full stop. The ritual resin, RITUAL, the ritual resin, RESIN, ritual resin, had cemented the body of Tut, to the bottom of his solid gold coffin, to the bottom of his solid gold coffin, to the bottom of his solid gold coffin, gold coffin. He put it under the sun. He put it under the sun. He put it under the sun, but nothing happened. बेटा क्या बोल रहे हो? He put under the sun, but nothing happened. he had to use chisel and hammer,
use
chisel and hammer,
hammer
सी एच हथौड़ा और चिजल छेनी, CHISEL, to remove it from the gold coffin, from the gold coffin. Next question. लिखो presently archaeology has changed now it focuses less on treasure, TRESURE, treasure, and more on the fascinating details of life, and intriguing mysteries of death, Next, इसी में पॉइंट में it has also included medical technology and sophisticated tools. Next, Amenhotep III was father or grandfather of Tut, or he ruled for almost 4 decades. कितने क्वेश्चन रह गए हैं? For almost 4 decades. 4 decades. DECADES. For almost 4 decades. Next question. The period of Amenhotep IV. The period of Amenhotep IV.
बस
और नीचे
जाएगा नहीं इससे नीचे पढ़ दूं? बस
और नीचे
कहाँ है इससे नीचे? अच्छा इससे ऐसा बस
The period of Amenhotep IV is known as the strangest period. The period of Amenhotep IV is called the strangest period in the history of Egypt. He promoted the worship of Aten. He promoted the worship of Aten, A-T-E-N. He promoted the worship of Aten. The sun disk, D-I-S-K. He promoted the worship of Aten, the sun disk. Full stop. He changed his name to Akhenaten, A-K-H-E-N-A-T-E-N. He changed his name to Akhenaten, A-K-H-E-N-A-T-E-N. Akhenaten, or servant of the Aten. Aten. He shifted his capital from Thebes, T-H-E-B-E-S, from Thebes to Amarna, A-M-A-R-N-A. Full stop. He shocked the country. He shocked the country by attacking. He shocked the country by attacking Amun, A-M-U-N, a major god. A major god. And closed his temples. Next question. Who was Tut? लिखो Tut was a boyish pharaoh. B-O-Y, boy, I-S-H. Tut was a boyish pharaoh. pharaoh, किंग को pharaoh कहा जाता है इजिप्ट में. Tut was a boyish pharaoh. P-H-A-R-A-O-H. P-H-A-R-A-O-H. Tut was a boyish pharaoh who ruled over Egypt for a brief period, and died unexpectedly. Next. Orion, O-R-I-O-N. Orion, the constellation. C-O-N-S-T-E-L-L-A-T-I-O-N. Orion, the constellation, is called the god of afterlife. The god of afterlife in Egypt.